How long does it take to turn a piece of paper into a finished paper cup? The answer is 0.3 seconds. This is the new Smart 200 by Wenzhou, New Smart Machinery Co. Limited, producing 200 to 210 cups per minute, a true marvel of efficiency. Suitable for producing 4 ounces to 16 ounces paper cups. Traditional machines operate mechanically, causing thermal expansion issues at high speeds. The new Smart 200 uses a fully servo-controlled system, offering more accuracy, stability, speed, and a significantly lower failure rate. Each part operates independently. If one fails, an alarm sounds. The machine can be restarted with one reset button, enhancing convenience. What do you think of this paper cup machine? If interested, welcome to the Printing South China and Sino-Label 2025 to experience New Smart 200.